Linen begins its journey in fertile flax fields across France, Belgium, and the Netherlands. Flax seeds are sown densely in spring to produce tall, straight stems with premium quality fibers. Within just 100 days, flax grows rapidly into slender plants, nearly 1 meter tall. Flax is naturally sustainable, requiring far less water and fewer pesticides than cotton.
In June, flax fields transform into breathtaking seas of delicate blue flowers.
Each flax stem can carry dozens of flowers while storing strong bast fibers inside. Unlike wheat or cotton, flax is pulled from the ground to preserve full fiber length. Maintaining long fibers is essential for producing smooth, durable, and luxurious linen yarn. The next stage is retting, the most important biological process in linen production. Dew retting uses natural moisture and microorganisms to separate fibers from the woody stem.
Over several weeks, natural pectins slowly break down under controlled environmental conditions.
Water retting accelerates fiber separation, but requires careful environmental management. Modern factories may also use enzymes to speed up retting while preserving fiber quality. After retting, the flax stalks are thoroughly dried before mechanical processing begins. During breaking, rollers crush the brittle woody core without damaging the valuable fibers. The woody fragments, known as chives, are separated from the inner bast fibers. Scutching removes leftover woody particles, revealing long, silky flax fibers underneath. The cleaned fibers now appear smooth, flexible, and ready for fine combing operations. Hackling combs the fibers repeatedly to remove impurities and align them in parallel. Short tow fibers are separated from premium longline fibers used for fine linen fabric. The aligned fiber bundles, called stricks, are prepared carefully for spinning into yarn. Wet spinning softens natural pectin, producing fine, smooth, and lustrous linen yarns. These delicate yarns are commonly used for luxury bedding, garments, and premium textiles. Dry spinning creates heavier yarns, ideal for canvas, upholstery, and durable fabrics. Next, the linen yarn enters weaving machines to transform thread into fabric. Plain weave is the most common linen construction, valued for strength and breathability. More decorative patterns like damask and twill add elegance and texture to linen fabrics. Freshly woven linen is called grège fabric and still contains natural impurities. Washing and bleaching remove oils and prepare the fabric for its final appearance. Linen fabrics can now be dyed or digitally printed in countless beautiful designs. Softening treatments reduce natural stiffness, making linen more comfortable for daily use. Some linen fabrics receive special treatments for water resistance or antibacterial protection. From humble flax plants to luxury textiles, linen remains one of the world's finest natural fabrics.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.